Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to show you how to add videos on your Wix website. As you can see, we are on our edit panel, and in here in the left corner we have various options. In here we need to click on the add element option. Just click over here, and here you can see we have many options here. Just scroll down and you will find out video and music options. Just hit the button and they will provide you the access of video elements. So you can see here we have lots of options: single video player, Wix videos, video box, then video mask. It is a transparent option, and also we have transparent video option. So I will choose single video player, so I will click over here and it will be added in here. I will add my video in this place. So after drag the video, I will click on the video, I will change the video, and I want to upload a desired video from my computer. But you can choose anything you want, like you have the option to choose a video from YouTube, Vimeo, Twitch, Dailymotion and Facebook. So just click over here, change video, hit the button, and it will help you to go on the file. So just upload media and just hit the upload from computer option, and they will redirect you to the computer. And here my video file is here, so I will click on mastery and just click on open. Once I click here, they will upload my video in this pop-up box. So you can see it will take few minutes. So for that reason I will wait a little bit. As you can see, my video has been uploaded in the folder, so I can use it on my website. So click on the mystery.mp4 box, and there is an option to add to page. I will click over here, and as you can see, our video has been added to our website. So we have playback option also in the box, and the video setting also. You can click on autoplay. Whenever anyone visit in the website, they will saw the video, it is already playing. And also we have the place in loop option. Then we have video description. If you want to add any description for your visitor or your audience, you can add over here. So this is the easiest and simplest way. I hope you liked the video. If you found out this video is really helpful for you, then hit the like button. Don't forget to comment on the comment below, and please subscribe our channel.